A rainy day, as I was walking home after my class, suddenly dark clouds started to appear. A huge wind blew. All the leaves started to fly in the air and it started to drizzle. It was very dark and cold. I was feeling scared. There was no one around. I searched for my umbrella in my bag, but unfortunately I hadn't brought it. Heavy rain started to pour. I looked for shelter, but there was none. I saw a huge banyan tree and ran towards it. It rained cats and dogs for 1 hour. I got drenched with water from top to toe. When the rain ceased, I ran home.